My name is Drew Anderson, and this is my submission for the What Dream is Brewing in You contest. My dream, millions of $100 ideas, MOHDI, MOHDI.com, is something that I'm very passionate about. In June of 2006, the site launched, and we've had a steady growth in traffic since then, obviously. 2006, we've actually sold 3 products. In 2007, I hope we can more than double that. I see that we really need to focus more on our branding in 2007, and that's something that, I would hope that someday we can be a startup company. MOHDI is a business that is about content, ideas, invention. It's about inspiration. When I talk to people about MOHDI and what it is, people are more than willing to share their ideas and things and their ideas, their inventions, and things with me, and I hope that I can help them to develop these. With MOHDI, with the business, we hope to go, much like software, to an open source format and allow others to learn from our mistakes and learn from the things that we've done in the past. I consider myself a 100-aire, and MOHDI has been operated for very little money and maintained out of passion and love. As MOHDI grows, I do have a group of people that are willing to come on board and help out with the business and the development of products, and eventually we hope to be a brick and mortar facility that caters to developing and generating new ideas, and helping others along the way. It's about passion and things that inspire us. I hope you have an opportunity to check out the website. Thank you.